Hey y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all this flexi rod set and how I do it with my natural hair. I am in the process of trying to maintain and take care of my hair better now because your girl here is struggling, okay? When I tell you I literally be struggling for length, it's like my hair will grow the same length or it just won't grow. It's like either or. But that's because I did not know that recently I had low porosity hair. So now I'm trying to use things to help with low porosity hair. Also, if you do, which type of porosity hair you do have, you have low porosity hair like me, comment down below and let me know what type of products do you use. So for this hairstyle, I did use, this was like after I washed my hair and everything and then I blow dried it. I did use the Mayo leave-in conditioner, the pomegranate honey leave-in conditioner. I know everybody was saying so much stuff about that product and everything, but honestly, it's been doing my hair good. Like it keeps my hair moisturized. And I also use the Camilla Rose honey and something foam. So I use a foam and a leave-in conditioner to do it, but my hair was blow dry because I figured like instead of doing it on wet hair, because before I used it on straight wet hair, let me use it on dry hair, but I'm still gonna like wet my hair up, put the conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and then the foam in to like let it stay. I did do this hairstyle last week and it came out so cute. This hairstyle lasted me for an entire week. When I tell you I love this hairstyle more better as it get old, because as it get old, the curls do get like a little more fluffier and they do fall down. So I do like it on like day like 3 and 4. Those are like the best when it looks the best because it just like falls and it looks so nice. So I was on live, so that's why I'm like sitting here yapping my mouth or whatever. But this style is very low maintained. Like you don't really have to do much. The way I sleep with it is I just put it up in two ponytails. Like I don't like pull it extra hard. I just like hold it in a ponytail literally, or you can just put it like up in one mushroom. And I do use a silk bonnet. You do want to use a silk bonnet so that it could just like hold it better, and it's better for your hair as well too. You don't want to use like a cloth like cotton type of hair tie because I feel like it might flatten it down. But my curls did not flatten up. Like I said, this hairstyle lasted me the entire week. I did this hairstyle last week. I did it on like a Saturday. I tend to do my wash days on like Friday, Saturday because I do work. So and then that's when I style my hair same week and whatever, so this way I don't have to do it. And like I said, I don't want to put so much tension on my hair, so if you're looking for a hairstyle that's not going to put so much tension on your hair and so that you don't have to do your hair every single day, then I highly recommend this style. Also, about the sizes of the flexi rods, I do find the bigger ones to last longer. I feel like the smaller the curl is, the more it's gonna like come out. You may think like, oh, because it's smaller, it's tighter, it will full out last. Like no, I feel like my big curls lasted, and the small like the tiny blue flexi rods, those fell out first before the big ones. So I do like the purple and the blue sizes better because they're more bigger. Like the bigger the better. And yeah, they just last all week. And like I said, it's very low maintenance. You don't have to do much. This is how it look when it's done. I did play with it a little bit because like I said, they're really tight as soon as you take them out. I like them better on like day 2, day 3, like 3 or 4. That's when they fall better and they look better to me. You can wear it like this. You can also style it different ways. I do like to separate them. As you can see, I'm doing it like this to the back one to make it look more fuller and make it look more bigger because I do want like that big boat look. And yeah, here's a here are some styles. How I'm going to show you the next clip of me like playing in it, doing some styles or whatever. But this style is very cute. I really like it. It lasts all week. You don't have to do much. And the way I did it this time, I twist it at the roots. So I twist them at the roots to make it tight, and then I wrap it around the flexi rod. This way you could like see roots, so this way your roots don't be too frizzy, because I did that last week. And yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this of my natural hair journey or natural hairstyles in general, and I'll see you guys in my next video.